How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing this Dewalt Jigsaw. This is the model of DCS334B, and this is the tool only, no battery included. Really nice jigsaw. So let's go ahead and just open it right up, and we can see everything that's included inside of the box. So first things first, well, there's your instructions, and you do get one saw itself included, which is really cool. So we'll definitely be using that. But here is the jigsaw itself. There's nothing else that's included in the box, no other packaging or anything like that. So first thing I noticed, it's definitely quite heavy. So it's got some good quality to it. I always attribute the heaviness of something as quality. Very nice. So we can see Dewalt from the front end. We've got all the quick release system for the blade, and then your 20-volt max battery will go right into the back right here. We've got your little switch right here, and you can lock that, and then your trigger point right here. And then on the top, we have all the different speeds. So we have 1 through 7 for speeds, which is super nice. This is the blade that's included inside of the box. It's a 3-inch blade. Check out that model number right there on the end for your reference. This is best for cutting wood. It is quite a small blade, so you can get different size blades separately for your jigsaw if you want to. But let's go ahead and install this. I'll show you how that works. First off, you want to make sure that there's no battery installed in your jigsaw, and you also want to make sure that your switch is on lock. So you want to make sure that's pushed on the lock position, and then you want to check that you're not able to press that. And then it's very easy to install. So all you need to do is use this metal part right here, which is going to open up the bottom of your jigsaw. And I'll actually show you from the bottom so you guys can see. So we're going to push that open, and then there's a slot that's kind of the squared off slot right there. You want to make sure that your jigsaw blade goes right into that square slot. Just push that in nicely just right there, and then you want to align it up to that wheel right there. So there's that wheel that you can see right here. It's going to fit the jigsaw blade just right inside of that wheel. You want to make sure that it's aligned within that wheel. If it's aligned in that wheel, you are good to go. And you can also adjust your blade right here from this switch right here, so you can adjust it forward or back. And then we also have this piece right here, which is going to adjust your beveling of the jigsaw. So you can adjust it from 0 to whatever angles and stuff that you want to. I'll just keep it on the flat 0 position, and then we'll just lock it back down just like that. So we are good to go. Just install that battery, and then we got our Dewalt Jigsaw all ready to cut some wood.